Creating online courses shouldn't take weeks of planning, writing, and structuring. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a complete course on PrivateTutorHub, using our AI-assisted course generator, from idea to publish, step by step. We'll start from the courses page. This is where all your courses live. You can see existing courses, their status, and manage everything from one place. To create a new course, simply click Create Course. The first tab is Basic Information. This defines how your course appears to students. Here you'll enter your course title. You can add a short description, which can be generated instantly using AI. You can also add a detailed description, and generate that with AI if you want. Next, you select Categories, which are managed centrally from your platform settings. You can add tags to improve organization and discovery. You then upload a course thumbnail, select an instructor, and define what students will learn. This section can also be generated using AI. The goal here is simple. Describe your course once, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Next is the most powerful part of the course setup, course content. You can either build your course manually, or generate the entire course structure with AI. With one click, AI creates modules, lectures inside each module, and a logical learning flow. Everything is fully editable, and you are always in control. Each lecture can be one of several types. You can add video lessons, audio lessons, documents, tests, YouTube videos, or articles using rich text. You can also add live sessions or downloadable files such as PDFs and course resources. At any point, you can save your course as a draft. Once your structure is ready, you can move to Content Tools. From here, you can record your screen, record audio, or teach using a whiteboard. Everything you record is automatically uploaded to your file manager and can instantly be attached to a lecture. No external tools are needed to create course content, and you still have the flexibility to manually upload lecture assets directly from your device. Now let's head back to the course settings. The Settings tab controls how students experience your course. You can enable or disable questions and answers, enable course reviews, and choose whether the course is visible to non-enrolled users. You can set a course color, require enrollment approval, and limit the maximum number of students. You also have certificate settings. You can enable certificates and control whether students retain access to course materials after completion. Under Learning Experience, you can activate sequential learning, automatically unlock the next lecture, and notify tutor when a lecture is completed. This is how you design a structured and intentional learning journey. Finally, we have pricing. You can choose whether your course is free, paid, or subscription-based. Subscription pricing is available on higher plans. You can select the course currency and choose a refund policy. Once everything looks good, you can publish your course or save it as a draft and return later. And that's the full flow of creating a course on PrivateTutorHub, powered by AI, and fully under your control. If you're a tutoring business or training provider that wants to own your platform, your content, and your students, check out PrivateTutorHub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.